Today, we're diving into huge news for XRP and the broader cryptocurrency market. The SEC has officially acknowledged a proposal for an XRP-based ETF. What does this mean for Ripple and, more importantly, for the future of XRP? With this development, we could be looking at game-changing moves in crypto, and some experts are even speculating about XRP reaching unprecedented values. Welcome back to the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to keep up with all the latest crypto news. Let's break down what this ETF acknowledgement by the SEC means and whether a $100 XRP is on the horizon. Stick around, because later, I'll share my expert opinion on what this could mean for XRP investors and the possibility of major price movement. You won't want to miss it. The SEC's acknowledgement of XRP ETF proposal. 1. Background. The SEC and XRP's history. For those just catching up, Ripple's XRP has been at the center of a legal showdown with the SEC for years. The main issue? The SEC argues that XRP is a security, while Ripple insists it's a currency. Now, with the SEC acknowledging an XRP ETF proposal, we could be seeing a pivotal turn in how the asset is treated in the US financial system. This acknowledgement doesn't mean an approval yet, but it's a significant first step. This is a big shift. The SEC's acknowledgement suggests they're taking XRP seriously, potentially setting the stage for XRP to be viewed more like an established asset rather than a security. It could also open up XRP to a much larger investment pool, particularly from institutions that were previously hesitant. 2. The significance of an XRP ETF proposal. So, what exactly does an ETF mean for XRP? An exchange-traded fund, or ETF, would allow investors to gain exposure to XRP without actually buying and holding the cryptocurrency directly. Instead, they'd invest in a fund that tracks the value of XRP, giving them a stake in the coin's performance with easier access and, often, less risk. An ETF can legitimize an asset in the eyes of traditional investors and institutions. Just look at what Bitcoin ETFs have done to boost BTC's accessibility and credibility in traditional markets. An XRP ETF could attract major institutional interest, which, in turn, could drive significant demand and potentially push prices higher. 3. Can XRP realistically hit $100? This is the big question everyone's asking. With the potential of an ETF and greater institutional backing, could XRP really reach the elusive $100 mark? While XRP has historically hovered below $1 to $2, hitting $100 would require a massive increase in value, similar to the jumps we saw with BTC in its early ETF days. While a $100 XRP is ambitious, it's not outside the realm of possibility if several factors align. First, regulatory clarity would need to be established, which the acknowledgement of an ETF proposal could help with. Second, broader institutional interest would have to pour into XRP. If these conditions are met and an ETF is approved, we could see a steady rise over time. But let's keep things in perspective. XRP reaching $100 would imply a market cap in the trillions, putting it on par with some of the world's largest companies. It's not impossible, but a $10 to $20 range may be more realistic in the shorter term, especially if the ETF takes off and retail interest spikes. 4. The potential impact on Ripple and the XRP ecosystem. A successful ETF for XRP wouldn't just benefit investors. Ripple itself, along with the broader XRP ecosystem, stands to gain from increased legitimacy and institutional interest. As more stakeholders recognize XRP as an investable asset, its applications could expand, especially in cross-border payments and decentralized finance, DeFi. Ripple's vision has always been to revolutionize cross-border payments, and with an ETF, that mission could gain serious traction. If financial institutions adopt XRP not just as an investment, but as a bridge currency for global transactions, this could significantly increase XRP's utility and create real-world demand beyond speculation. If you're finding value in this breakdown, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends to spread the word about XRP's big news. And remember to subscribe for more deep dives into crypto news and analysis. 5. Regulatory risks and challenges ahead. While an XRP ETF sounds promising, let's be clear, regulatory challenges still lie ahead. The SEC's acknowledgement is just the first step. The ETF proposal must undergo several reviews before it's approved, and any setback in the regulatory process could delay or even halt its progress. Acknowledgement isn't the same as approval. The SEC has rejected multiple crypto ETFs before, and while we're seeing a shift in how digital assets are viewed, regulatory hurdles could still impact the timeline or even the feasibility of an XRP ETF. But, if Ripple navigates these obstacles successfully, it could lead to a landmark moment in crypto. 6. Market reactions and community sentiment. The crypto community has been buzzing about the possibility of an XRP ETF. Many believe it would vindicate Ripple after its years-long battle with the SEC. However, others remain cautious, noting that approval is not guaranteed and that the crypto market is unpredictable, with prices often swinging wildly on news developments. Community sentiment is powerful in the crypto world. Just look at how Bitcoin's ETF news affected its price. If the XRP community rallies around the ETF proposal and builds hype, we might see an initial price surge just based on sentiment. That said, long-term growth will depend on real adoption and utility, not just enthusiasm. 7. The broader impact on the crypto market. If the SEC were to approve the XRP ETF, it would have a significant impact on the crypto landscape as a whole. Other cryptocurrencies might follow XRP's lead, potentially leading to a new wave of ETF applications and wider institutional adoption across the board. An XRP ETF could pave the way for other assets to be acknowledged by the SEC. This isn't just about XRP, it's about opening doors for crypto in the regulated financial space. If the SEC approves this ETF, it could trigger a domino effect, allowing other assets to gain traction with institutional investors, leading to a more mature crypto market overall. To wrap things up, the SEC's acknowledgement of an XRP ETF proposal is a major milestone for Ripple, XRP holders, and the crypto industry as a whole. It brings XRP closer to mainstream adoption and legitimizes its presence in the market. However, the journey to ETF approval is far from over, and regulatory hurdles still stand in the way. Thank you for joining us today on the Gold Rush Crypto Daily channel. If you enjoyed this analysis, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and share it with fellow crypto enthusiasts. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Do you think XRP can realistically reach $100? And what impact do you think the ETF proposal will have? Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.